I don't know how to do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Brandon the Gate Guy. So I'm doing this service call, and customer states that the gate starts to open and then stops, backs off, and then beeps, so, or goes in like a shutdown mode. Typically obstructions when that happens. First time I've been to this property, and man, it's just a terrible install. So I kind of want to show you, I guess, what not to do, or kind of some of the issues that I found. But you know, it's installs like this that give us gate guys bad names sometimes. You know, everything needs maintenance. I'm pretty sure this thing's not been maintained. But at the same time, if it was installed correctly and everything was level and done right, you could probably get away a little bit longer between maintenances. So let me flip the camera around and show you. I don't know how to do that. Alright, so it's a LiftMaster CSW 24 VDC. It's a 24 volt system. First off, they're using Cat 6 cable. I hate that. Stuff's junk. You look at it wrong, it snaps. It should only be used for phone line, and that specific stuff should only be used typically indoors. So anyway, not good. That's the master slave, or communication cable between the two. It's a dual swing gate system. These things have been changed out, not the original motors. As you can see next to me, this is an older Elite CSW 200. Super good motors, obviously discontinued though, they don't make it anymore. Here's one of the issues. Placement of the operator, as if they couldn't have moved this thing back, you know, another 4 inches. It's not like there's anything in front that's going to be exposed if they didn't move it back. Over here, you can see there's a conduit sticking out, like a flex pipe between the cover and the frame. So the cover doesn't even close all the way. Biggest issue was arm was binding on itself. So right in here, it was cutting a groove, because this was mounted on top of the tab, which was causing the arm to go like that, which was grinding into there. Now this still isn't level. As you can see, this has been bent. It's still not level. You know, if I come up, you know, 1/4 inch or so, I'm okay. So I'm gonna try to beat that up and adjust that. But anyway, yeah, just a crappy install. These hinges were replaced. I mean, they didn't even clean the welds off or prime them. In my opinion, those aren't the best hinges anyway. You can see they had those adjustable bearing hinges that were down here at one point. Those probably failed. I prefer Elite power hinges, or Shut It makes a, I think it's a CI 3000. It's an adjustable, the bracket's slotted. So if the post isn't perfectly level, I like those for existing applications, because nothing usually is square level. You can make it level. So that's the entry side. Of course, they're not lined up. I don't know, just not the way I would have done it. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys come across these, or what's some bad installs you've seen. This is definitely not the worst that I've seen, but it's probably one of the worst I've seen in the last few months. So yeah, anyway, I'll get back to you guys in a couple days. Bye.